Marking a historic moment in its ties with Iran, India on Monday signed a 10-year contract for operating the Shahid Beheshti port in Chabahar. It's the closest Iranian port to India. The port gives a secure access to large cargo ships. The agreement enables India to expand its footprint in the global supply chain and the maritime sector as well. Meghna Dev reports.
In a major move to boost regional connectivity and strengthen bilateral partnership, India and Iran signed a long-term contract for the operation of the Shahid Beheshti port in Chabahar. India will develop and operate Iran's strategic Chabahar port for 10 years. The contract has been signed between India Ports Global Limited and Ports and Maritime Organization of Iran. The signing took place in presence of Indian Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways Sarbananda Sonowal and Minister of Roads and Urban Development of Iran Mehrdad Bazbash.
दुनिया की सबसे लोकप्रिय नेता प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के निर्देश के मुताबिक आज हम लोगों ने हमारे चबाहार पोर्ट की लॉन्ग टर्म कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में आज हम लोगों ने दस्तखत की है और ये बहुत साल से बातचीत चल रहे थे। इतना दिन तक तो ये शॉर्ट टर्म के थे, तो इसलिए इस पोर्ट के भविष्य को मजबूत बनाने के सिलसिले में और रीजनल कनेक्टिविटी को बढ़ावा देने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का जो विजन है, उस विजन को साकार करने के लिए आज ऐसे एक ऐतिहासिक कदम उठाए गए हैं।
The very clear expectation is that the Chabahar port, at least that part of the Chabahar port that we are involved in, that will definitely see more investments. It will see more connectivity linkages coming out of that port. And we believe today that connectivity is a very big issue in that part. International North-South Transport Corridor, which we are doing with Iran, Russia. Chabahar will connect us to that, also to Central Asia. We have a separate corridor, the IMEC corridor through Saudi Arabia.
IPGL will invest approximately $120 million in equipping the port. India has also offered an INR credit window equivalent to $250 million for mutually identified projects aimed at improving Chabahar-related infrastructure. India has so far supplied 6 mobile harbour cranes and other equipment worth $25 million for the development of the first phase of the Shahid Beheshti terminal in cooperation with the government of Iran. India Ports Global Limited has been operating the port since 2018 and has handled traffic of more than 90,000 TEUs of container traffic and more than 8.4 MMT of bulk and general cargo. With the operationalization of India's long-term investment in Chabahar, this port is likely to become an important hub for regional connectivity. The contract will also be able to enhance global trade by providing an alternate trade route to India for Iran, Afghanistan, Eurasia, and Central Asian republics. Meghna Dev's report for DD India.